What do you enjoy most about being in a relationship? One of the things that I enjoy most about being in a relationship is having someone to look forward to coming home every day to see. There's nothing like coming back from a long day at work, seeing her smile. It makes me feel so warm and appreciated. It's like I have a best friend and a lover in one person. I love spending time with her. Whether it's watching a movie, cooking dinner, playing games, or just cuddling on the couch, we always have fun and we will always make each other laugh. She's my partner in crime and my soulmate. I can't imagine my life without her. Being in a relationship is not always easy, but it's definitely worth it. It takes work, commitment, communication, and trust. But when you find someone who makes you feel the way she makes me feel, you know you've found something special, and that's what I enjoy most about being in a relationship. Iyan ang seryosong sagot niya sa tanong ko na talagang napahanga ako sa kanya at kitang-kita mo kung paano siya napasaya ni Bel Mariano.